Have you ever cheated? No? You're not gonna say yes, so I'm not ask you no.
Every man cheat. So.
Every man cheat?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, people, welcome back to the channel, you know?
Yes, the Parchment fam.
You know, the fiery channel. So, today what we have, because you tell me say we are going to do a video, and I don't know what video about or which you have planned. So, I just go along with
We
you,
have
know?
to drop it and give you a surprise. So, yes, so today I have some questions here. They're relationship based questions that I'm going to ask my husband. He doesn't know what the questions are. So he can answer honestly and that we can see his honest reaction, you know?
Yeah, and he may get in a trouble because I don't know. Alright?
Trouble.
She want to put me on video with this.
Make sure you answer every single one I question, no pass none of them.
You know?
No pass none of them.
Yeah, so you see like when I get me in a trouble, make sure you say no subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright? So
yeah.
you start when you're ready to start because I don't know where you really are.
Ready? Alright, so we have 13 questions
13,
here.
so make a room 10.
10 and 3 are bonus. You're looking at 20. Alright, so first question. Have you ever gotten your heart broken?
No. We never get my heart broken, you know. Good thing we can know I didn't. But it never break. Yeah. I mean, a man, I really to put no, I wouldn't say I put 100% in no relationship, no, you know.
Really? So you're telling me you don't have 100%
no,
solo
yeah,
in this relationship here?
But remember say no.
Or in the past,
remember say when me and you them the time we in our early 20s, so women not gonna get no broken heart not doing before that.
Of course.
Something to me was nothing too
me
serious.
get my heart broken before me and you do something.
Yeah,
so.
but yeah, if you kaya woman might alright.
Woman going too hard, that's what it is.
Woman go in a relationship and put their heart in it, a man go in it, whatever happen.
Put something else in it.
So for me wouldn't say no.
You sure it even get dent? I don't think it get dent neither.
Well, up to you.
Up to me, you say get dent.
I don't think so. I don't think because at the end, I don't see none where we make me lose a night sleep or I don't think about something. No, sir.
Wow.
I never really go through that yet.
Alright. But if I break your heart, did I get broken?
If you ever break my heart,
yeah.
You can't break nobody's heart, man. You're too soft.
Whoa, we see.
You don't have something.
You don't have what it takes.
You don't have what it takes to break somebody's heart, man. You don't have a heart to break somebody's
heart.
I
don't have a heart to. No. Okay, it's okay. Well, you don't know what hurt you.
You don't have a heart.
You know much heartbreaks trail of heartbreaks I've left behind me.
Then that's why I left them behind me because they're in front of you. So I've left them behind you.
So, anyways, would you rather a woman who is sexy or smart? If you had to choose.
Smart, because a person, alright, you know, say me is a person easily annoyed, right? Me get annoyed easily. And you see if a person there around me where can't reason.
No, you have no reasoning ability.
It's something where me say,
yeah.
me is a person where comes right out and say, yo, just one boy business. Me can't deal with you. You know?
Oh wow.
Yeah,
if you're not smart, you don't have a chance.
Yeah, when a person can't reason or they talk things too much when it makes sense.
Yeah, I like that neither.
Yeah, me can't, it's like it annoy and irritate you. And
yeah, because you know you sometimes sit down and you have some deep conversations and if you know.
And even if say me no want to discuss something with you, right? And you come around me and want to talk and it just don't make any sense. Me can't deal with it. If you notice, if me go around a person when even my phone will ring and me not answer it, just because I know say the person not going to say nothing will make sense. True. You know what I mean?
So, would you rather be called sexy or smart?
Me rather be called the two of them, you know.
You have to choose one.
You can't choose none of them because
sexy
two of them.
Or smart?
You can't choose one because me
if you had to choose one, which one would you choose?
But I choose sexy because the woman don't care.
That's so dumb man with some woman deal with.
If you look for the smart man, them the woman don't want them, you know.
Actually, you notice most the smart man, them them into
They always not
technology,
get no woman,
them look
want
geeky and all them something them now. They rather sexy and get the woman
them. Because the woman ain't even care where you are if you know no.
True, that's true. Especially if you have a little money.
What?
Forget about even sexy and smart that get thrown out the door.
Go on, maybe take his sickness and his smartness can stay. Yeah. Till me done till me get old, you know.
Alright, next question. Who is your first love?
Who was my first love? Can't tell you that. my first love was my mother.
Really?
My mother and my first love.
Relationship wise, I'm talking.
My mother now have
no,
mother and son
me not
relationship.
talk mother and son relationship. Me talk boyfriend and girlfriend relationship.
I don't see me want no first. Me no
Talk
want no
the
first
lie.
relate.
Tell the truth when God
What
love.
my first love?
Yes.
My first love. Would I say my first love? Are you? I mean, never love.
Lie. Me not believe that
Alright,
one.
first love as in love with the person.
Like you love somebody, like you actually had somebody.
Mother say you because before that I play love them, they're not real love.
Puppy love.
Yeah, them they are young starting, you know.
Me not believe that one day. But we go with it, but me don't believe it. Me don't. Some question.
Alright, ask me some question for me answer, answer them for which one?
Me don't believe you. Me have a right to believe your answer or not, but me don't believe the answer.
Alright.
You give an answer. Actually, you know your mother go watching. You don't want her to know who your first love be. That's why.
No matter who want to watch it.
Who I'm first love? Yeah, I'm first love. Me. Hey. Alright, next question. Let me see what I know. Have you ever cheated?
You may ever cheat? Whole heap of time, man. Whole heap of time we do that.
What about time you cheat?
You talk now or back?
Just in general, we not talk no. Have you ever cheated? No? You're not gonna say yes, so me not ask you no.
Every man cheat. So.
Every man cheat?
Yeah.
Really?
Every
man not cheat. You talk for yourself.
Whether they do it with the eye or
me not talk I cheat, me not talk cheat.
Alright.
Cheat.
The question based upon presently or before.
Just
we know
overall.
Yeah, me everybody man hear me cheat before. Me man cheat, man.
Alright. Do you think you know what women want?
If me think me know what women want, every woman different, every woman want different things. So, me, if you ask me specifically, if me know what you want or woman in general.
That's woman in general. I mean, like.
Yeah, you know what woman want.
Not specific stuff, but I mean, most women, you know, most women want affection, they want certain things, and just in general.
And some women don't like when man affection is needed. Some women don't want no soft business around them. You didn't know that?
So you know what woman wants. Or you know what your woman wants.
Yeah, me know what woman want.
Alright. How would you define love?
What kind of question that you ask me?
I mean, what kind of question that they ask you? Oh, in your book, like, what is the definition of love?
Alright, let me tell you, love, no, that's a love. Some people mix up love with lust and fantasies, you know.
Infatuation.
Right? So, love, when it comes to love, you have a whole heap of different meaning. Right? Because you have motherly love, fatherly love, you have love for your child. When you love a woman, that the type of love you talk.
Yeah.
Like when a man love a woman.
When a man loves a woman.
Alright, so when a man, if you go, for me, the definition of love, when a person love a woman, right, is a wide, you have a lot of other words that come fall under it, like respect, care, you know, trust, commitment, all of those things come under it. So, but that's when you define love.
All of them come together and make up.
But you define love is not just a describing word. When it comes to a woman, it's an action word, right? Some would say love come with. Love, we define love where you talk is an action word. It's not an adjective, you know. So it's not. It don't have a meaning. It's a job to me. Love is a job. It's not a meaning, you know. So,
Alright.
so me I define.
Alright. What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you when you're with your significant other? It doesn't have to be me, it could have been in the past, but the most embarrassing thing will ever happen.
The most embarrassing thing.
Yes, most embarrassing thing.
Alright. You see, me have that one. The most embarrassing thing will ever happen to me.
When you're with your significant other, so you're on you're the person, you're with them, whether you're out on a date, whether you're just chilling at home, whatever the case is, and it doesn't have to be now, it can be in the past.
Most embarrassing thing. You can't really remember because me is a person when I know shame, me so you have to be embarrassed.
I mean,
You know,
not embarrassing.
You know what I mean, really, you know what I mean,
You
I
never
know
catch
shame
you,
already.
you
So,
say you cheated at the park, nobody never catch you cheat before or something like that.
even that, me not embarrassed me.
You're not embarrassing.
Yeah, me can't, me no, you know what I mean, I know shame
Not
already. So,
embarrassing, never
you
happen.
know, me can't remember nothing embarrassing.
Okay, I feel like you probably remember, you don't want to tell it.
You know, me not really remember nothing embarrassing.
Alright, you're not ashamed then.
Only thing, I wouldn't say a significant other, right? One time, I remember, me say when me used to go to school, this girl, and me the downtown, me and the person not in a nothing again, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then somebody come there, and I said, oh, and she did talk to somebody, and then they were laugh and say, oh, somebody I take away your girl already. That time, it never embarrassing to me, but it's like me see, it make you feel like a way where somebody I make you look stupid and not no go so. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay. Would you change your religion to be with someone?
Never. That anything that the woman they have, if she a Muslim or Christian, must have it too. So me not see no woman can make me change my religion because of them. Do what? Must be mad. That the woman they can't go on, man. All when a goal you make out of.
Really?
You can't go on.
Terrible.
You must be mad.
Yeah. Yeah, no compromising right there.
No, so that the woman they not make it. Or that the religion they not commit.
Alright. What do you think is the right age to get married?
Right age? There's no right age as long as you're old enough. Because everybody different, you know. So there's no right age for nobody get married. Anybody get married whenever they feel the time is right. Yeah.
Alright, do you think marriage is only a piece of paper?
Marriage is not a piece of paper. If it wasn't only a piece of paper, you wouldn't need a ring, right?
Some people know we're ring.
No, I say you wouldn't need a ring. Why you would have spent all this money? You want one half of a ceremony just for one piece of paper.
Some people do too.
It don't make sense. To me, marriage is not a piece of paper. Marriage is more than that, man. Marriage is, as me say, love is a job. Marriage is a job.
Covenant.
It's a job
For
that
me.
too. Yeah, it's a covenant, but covenant is a small word to me. Is a big.
That's because you
word.
it's because you don't understand what's a covenant.
Who don't understand
You think
what is a
it would
covenant?
be? It's a bigger than.
Yeah, but a covenant is a small portion of it.
No, covenant cover all of that. Commitment, everything fall
But
under
at the
covenant. So
same
to
time,
me, marriage is
a
a
hard
covenant,
task, is a job.
which
I
is fall under a covenant,
tell you.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Next, almost done. 3 more questions. These are the bonus questions.
The next question.
Actually, I have 2 more left. So, do you like to be the dominant or submissive partner in a romantic relationship?
Dominant or submissive? Me have to be 2 of them. You
Yeah,
can't be
me
one.
too.
Yeah, you have to be 2 of them.
Really?
If you are one, it'll get boring.
Normally, man, the dominant.
No, me say you have to be 2 of them. If you are one,
You're
it is gonna
submissive?
get boring.
You're submissive?
The 2 of them.
Really?
You have to be both or else you're gonna get boring, me I tell you.
I'm not like when man submissive.
Me say you have to be both.
When are you
or
ever
else
submissive?
It is gonna get boring.
When are you ever submissive?
When me submissive, whenever me need to be.
Like when me say, me I gonna make this for also now, and you have to just go with the flow.
We have me think you mean like in a sitting there.
I mean, in a relationship, just overall.
Don't know what that you ask me.
Yeah, so in a romantic relationship, do you like to be dominant or submissive?
Oh, me have to be dominant, man. You know, easy.
Really?
You have to be dominant one in our relationship. I mean, man.
You change your mind now.
No, me think you mean like in a sexual encounter or whatever.
Well, even at that the case, the man is supposed to be dominant too.
Be have to be both. If I hear him and always have what it get worried.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
It a come like you man daddy and him fooling.
Because woman submissive.
And every woman.
That's true.
Not every woman and then as
woman.
a man when you want always have a big human or have a that then
That's
sitting
when
there
you're
with me, it is you would have sitting there. It get boring.
Okay. So both when it come on to that overall submissive when in the overall relationship because you're the man.
Yeah.
You take charge.
Yeah, man, take charge.
Last question. Well, this kind of tying with that one. Do you like it when a girl makes the first move?
A girl make your first move?
Mm-hmm.
As far as try look a person?
Well, it can be in that sense, and also when you and the person are already there together, and you know, because it can go anywhere.
Not all the time, but it's good when a woman do that.
Alright, so if you have somebody I get in for the first time though, let's
like you just go to and get a person if woman start the conversation.
Yeah.
If me would I prefer that?
If you like that, yeah.
No, what you mean? If me prefer it or it don't matter
if you prefer that then you prefer you do the lay the groundwork.
Me prefer when a woman show you a sign and as a man you read them.
Follow up on them.
Move towards it more than
because they look too pushy, don't you?
When a woman just blur in your face so me feel as a man you go look on like a something when she do all the while. You know what I mean?
Like the one in your story time.
It as a man you go look on you as a something when she
just do it every man.
All the time. Not say all the time, but it's not our first experience doing that. You know what I mean? Or something where she used to them. So as a man, me prefer a woman show signals.
Just subtle signs and cues.
Me prefer a woman show signals, and then as a man you make him move. But when a woman just brawling in your face, so it make it seem like a something where she do all the time. You know? So even if it's a good woman and at first she do it, your assumption you think different. You know? Yeah. Me feel that is how me look at it.
Yes, so that's the last of the questions. How do you feel about them questions? Did they make you uncomfortable?
No, they make questions make me uncomfortable.
So next time you have to come better then.
You have to go tighten up on the question and I come with something wicked.
Alright.
So if you don't want to see something wicked, comment below and tell us you come with some wicked question, you know? Yeah, some question.
Hotter next time. Tell her you don't stumble upon none of them.
Tell her we come with some wicked question, man. But me have to say me not answer that.
Hey! You plead the fifth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it.
Question them done, you know, question here done, interview over. So don't know, so we know what is a job here, you know? I turn down the job there. Question here job, you know what a job there.
Why?
A job there too easy if you come with some harder question. Alright? So that's the end of the video. Well, me say it. I don't know if you done.
That's the end.
That's the end of the video. Remember to head down below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if it's the first time on the channel. Even if it's not the first time, go and check if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, and turn on the notification
because sometimes
bell.
people are watching them and I watch the video and realize that they're not to subscribe.
Yeah,
you know?
and next thing to if you're subscribed and you're not getting the notifications, just click the bell. Click on the bell, turn it off and turn it back on right away.
And just unsubscribe and subscribe again. And then turn on the bell.
Yeah, because it's a pretty common issue with YouTube nowadays.
You used to have too much people to keep track.
Yeah, that too. So yeah man, and if you're few regular subscribers, then we not let you know. We have a big up same way. Thank you for your support and everything. Alright? Peace.
Bye.